What's going on, everyone? This is Jamel Jones, founder and creator of New Realm Digital Marketing. I wanted to release this video today with a couple new updates that we've done for New Realm. New Realm is our CRM, and our business as a whole, our digital marketing agency as a whole, is constantly growing to provide the best possible services that we can provide to our clients. So I'm really excited to announce the release of in-house skip tracing. I'll get to that in a second. But we also have upgraded our pricing plans to better accommodate some individuals. We understand that a lot of people that are just getting started out in the real estate space don't really have a lot of money to work with, right? So what we've done is we've created plans to fit every individual, right? So we have recently started weekly plans for our CRM, right? And this is mainly for anybody, but the idea behind it came from real estate wholesalers, right? Like a lot of wholesalers don't have a lot of money. That's why they're getting into wholesaling in the first place, because they're trying to make some money, right? And so what we've done is we've created weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-yearly, which is semi-annually, and yearly plans. Each one is a discount from the last. So, and we've also created a data-only plan for people who just need skip tracing. So without further ado, our daily plan weekly is $7.50 a week, which comes out to, I don't know, like $30 a month. And as you go up, that gets cheaper, and you will just have access to the skip tracing feature in our system, which is this right here. I'll get back to that tab in a second. And we have three plans for our CRM. We have the budget plan, the value plan, and the premium plan. The budget plan is mainly for beginning investors, beginning wholesalers. You have access to the bulk SMS, bulk email, power dialer, and some other features. But basically, it's just to get you started. We've started that off at $20 a week. If you upgrade to monthly, it'd be $75 a month, and then so on and so forth, adding value and discounts as you go up higher to the yearly. Value is the same thing. You'll have everything in budget plus a few extra features. I can't remember everything that we have in there. You can check out our website, newrealm.io/pricing or something like that. You can find it when you go to the website, though. And same thing with premium. Premium, you have full access to everything in the system. That is the pipelines, bulk SMS marketing, what else? The websites, the funnels, the forms, the surveys, the tags, triggers, campaign, literally everything that we have in the software. And that is $50 a week, or I think we priced that one at $190 a month, something like that. But anyway, you can go check that out. And we've also done some updates to the cost per minute and cost per SMS, cost per minutes out and inbound. Originally, everyone was on the same pricing plan, but it just makes more sense in order to help out our long-term clients if, you know, it's a scale, so to speak, for lack of a better term. So our budget clients, our outbound minutes will be just about 4 cents per minute. Inbound minutes, 2.5 cents per minute. SMS, just over 2 cents per SMS segment. Now, you guys have to keep track of this. I can't stress that enough. If you've got really long emails, you will not be charged this amount. You will be charged double. Like, even if you send 161 characters, you will be charged double for this. Like, I can't stress that enough. Emails, just because it's so cheap, it's less than a penny. It remains the same across all platforms, all plans, I mean. So the value, which is our middle plan, the prices go down just over 3 cents for outbound minutes, just over 2 cents for inbound minutes. Messages drop down below 2 cents for the SMS messages per segment. Our premium, which is our highest plan, we have all the prices just changed, right? This one is almost cut in half from the last one, and so on and so forth, right? So that's that. That's the update. So if you already have a premium plan with us, you're going to start noticing that your marketing money that you're uploading to the system is going to be lasting a lot longer, right? So yeah, that's that. And on to the skip tracing. So we have 4 plans for skip tracing. Data only. This is a standalone plan. This does not give you access to the CRM as a whole. It's just access to the skip tracing over. Now, if you're on a budget plan, you'd be paying just under 10 cents per record for skip tracing. Value plan, 7.5 cents per record, and the premium plan is 5.5 cents per record. Now, our skip tracing, I've done a lot of digging and a lot of connecting to the people that I need to connect to them, ensure that I'm getting you guys the best possible data for these records, right? So you wouldn't have to worry about not getting in touch with the right people, so to speak. And list pulling, I'm going to be having that inside the New Realm CRM as a service, and it'll probably be a standalone service as well. That's going to be coming soon. But let's go over how exactly you would go about skip tracing. It's not a beta version, but this is version 1 of skip tracing. So inside of your platform, inside of your system, you should have this tab in your system now. And when you click on it, it should auto-populate your name and your email address. And that is just so we know who's purchasing the list, right? And I'm gonna say this before I continue. Right now, the system is based on the honor system, meaning that when you get to the second form, the second part of this form right here, we're going to ask you how many records you're uploading. So however many records that are on your CSV file minus however many rows you have on your CSV file minus the column row, which is row number 1, it'll be your job to input it inside of here. Now, if you lie, we will know, and your card will be charged appropriately for however many actual records you have in your CSV, or you probably get a refund for the job that you put in. So whatever money that you did pay for the job, you'll probably get that back minus the 20% inconvenience fee. And this skip tracing portion will probably be removed from your account. You'll no longer be allowed to skip trace using the system. So anyway, let's say, for example, you're skip tracing 1,000 records. The system will determine which plan you're on. Remember over here, based on which plan you're on, will determine your cost. I don't remember which plan I have this test account set up to. So let's just see. You hit submit. Your next page will tell you number of contacts entered for skip tracing 1,000. You'd have to press this button, confirm total number of records to be skip traced. If you enter the incorrect amount, please refresh the page and start over. That's a typo. I need to fix that. Any unused funds, that's also another typo. I need to fix that. Any unused funds will be credited to your New Realm account. Note, we have created this system based on the honor system, which means we trust you to enter the correct amount of records needed to be skip traced. If you intentionally enter an incorrect amount of records to be skip traced, your card will either be charged the correct amount or your funds will be refunded minus a 20%. That should be inconvenience fee. So once you got the right number in, you're going to hit this button. And on the next page, it's going to tell you how many records you have and how much it's going to cost. So apparently I don't have anything connected to this account, so it's not going to populate the total. But on your system, if you are already a member of New Realm CRM, your total will be right here. You'll proceed to checkout. And from this list, from this page, you'll upload your CSV. You'll hit the agreement button and you'll submit the list. Only after you submit the list will you be charged, and your whatever payment method that you have on file with us for your system will be charged immediately. And if you have anything other than a data only plan, because we don't charge you for hits that we don't get back. So if you don't get back a phone number or email for whatever contacts on your list, you will not be charged for that. And so if you are on any other plan other than the data only plan, whatever unused funds will be credited back to your New Realm account for marketing, for the SMS and the emails and everything like that. But if you are on the what do you call it, the data only plan, it'll be a conversation that needs to be had, right? So we'd have a conversation with you if you want to leave it as a balance so that you can, for future skip tracing jobs, we could do that, or we could put it back in your card. It's up to you. And one of the really good features that we have that a lot of skip tracing services do not have, if you have 10,000 records that you skip trace this month and you have 10,000 records that you want to skip trace next month, with 5,000 of those records you've already skip traced, you will not be charged for double skipping. So I'm really, really proud of that. I'm really, really happy that I was able to work that out for my clients and integrate this whole thing into my system. So if you already have an account with us, skip trace about 500 or 1,000 records or something like that, and let me know what you think. You guys, if you are a client, you have direct access to me, so send me a message, let me know what you guys think. And yeah, other than that, I will see you guys in the next videos, because we have a lot of updates coming. We have a lot of things that we're doing to make you guys' experience with New Realm CRM and your overall business a lot easier to run, right? That's my job. That's why I'm here. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video.